Jasmy is trading at an important support level, and in this video we are going to be covering exactly that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Jasmy once again, because I believe that right now is one of the most important times for Jasmy in the shorter time frames. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total, and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmy, and for those of you who are new, I just want to explain that I personally believe this price point right over here was the bear market low for Jasmy. Now this came in at a price of about 0.0027, and once we got to this price level we started forming this massive Elliott wave structure, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. So we pumped up in a wave number 1, we came down in a wave number 2. However guys, as we are progressing towards our wave 3 target of about 0.011, we saw that Jasmy basically got an instant sell-off, and the primary reason behind this sell-off was Binance, because they had basically introduced that they are going to be putting Jasmy in the innovation zone. Now a lot of traders thought that basically Jasmy is getting put away in the delisted category, and Jasmy is going to be getting delisted from Binance. However, that was not really the case, and as you can see we have slowly started to recover as well. Now in my past couple of videos I mentioned to you all that this gray line right over here, which is also at the bear market low, is one of the most important support areas for Gala for the shorter time frames. And as you can see that this support line has been holding pretty well, and we haven't really dropped below this at all. I mean, even though we got this huge sell-off right over here, but still we were not really able to break below this gray level right over here. Now my personal perspective for the shorter time frame still remains the same. I personally believe that only if we fall below this price we should be expecting some new lows for Jasmy. However guys, unless and until we stay above this, I'm still bullish on Jasmy in the shorter time frames. As of this moment I am also longing Jasmy, and I've taken a couple of long trades as well, and my personal take profits are somewhere between 0.0054 to about 0.0062. That's about a 64% move towards the upside. So for all of you traders out there who would like to take a trade, make sure you guys take this trade as soon as possible if you guys are invested into Jasmy, and if you guys want to take similar trades as well. Now if I show you all the MACD and the RSI indicators, this is where some really good news is coming into play. Now as you can see, the MACD indicator is finally showing us some green candles, which is really good, because this tells us that we are getting some buying pressure on Jasmy, which is exactly what we need at the current scenario. If you check out the RSI, you will be able to see that as of this moment we are forming a bullish crossover, which is really good to see as well, and things are lining up perfectly and just as we imagined as well. Now the most important resistance level for Jasmy is this blue line right over here, which was also the previous top at a price of about 0.0083. Now if we calculate from the current price points, you will be able to see that this is about a 118% move towards the upside. I personally believe Jasmy is capable of making such severe moves in the shorter time frames, and this is why exactly I have also taken another long entry into Jasmy for the longer time frames. Guys, if you want to make some serious money with crypto, and you just want completely automated for you, make sure you guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now, before I tell you all about my trade signal group, I just want to tell you some of the results which we have been able to achieve in the past couple of days. As you can see, just on the 17th, which is about like 2 to 3 days, as you can see, we closed 2 of our trades, and one of the trades we got a profit of 294%, while on the other we got a profit of 238%. This is an example of a trade signal which I posted in my group, and as you can see, we have been getting really successful in the past couple of months, which is really good to see as well. Now, my trade signal group is $30 per month, but I personally assure you that if you join in right now and you only start with about a $50, you can easily turn your $50 into about $500, $700, or even $1,000 in shortest time. So let's say you have started with about $50 and you have taken only these 2 trades in a month. So you would have turned your $50 into about $110 using this trade, and then you would have taken your $110 and turned it about $350 using this trade. Now this is some really good profit to risk ratio. So you have basically 10x your money within just a matter of like couple of trades, and now you have the entire month with a bigger size portfolio to grow your income streams. I personally believe that if you are an intermediate trader, or if you're struggling to make some profits, my trade signal group can be the best possible way to start and to make some serious money while trading, because it has been shown that 99% or about 90% of the traders often lose all of their money in the longer run because they don't really know what they are doing. So I know what I'm doing because I'm able to rack some profits, and if you guys want to follow me, you guys already know. The link to my trade signal group will be down in the description. I will be here 24/7 and I will be happy to assist you guys on all the matters. So yeah, make sure you guys join up as soon as possible, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow. Peace out.